Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the iPhone XR against the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So we have the A12 Bionic going up against the Exynos 9810, 3GB of RAM versus 6. Now with that being said, let's get started. Up first is the iPhone XR. It has a Retina HD LCD display. It's on the latest version of iOS 12. It has the newest A12 Bionic CPU and in-house Apple GPU and 3GB of RAM. Then we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display. It's on Android 8.1 Oreo. It has the Exynos 9810 CPU and the Mali G72 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Galaxy Note 9 wins by 4 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So in round 2, the Galaxy Note 9 wins again, this time by 1 point. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the Galaxy Note 9 won by 4 points. In round 2, it was very close, the Galaxy Note 9 won again, this time by 1 point. As for the price difference, for £50 more you can get the Galaxy Note 9, and overall it's a much better phone. You get a better display, better cameras, bigger battery, expandable storage, and so on. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, so make sure you have that bell notification enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.